Hi everybody, good evening. I hope you are all doing good. What an eventful day today. We kind of expected yesterday in the previous video. I was suggesting that Trump might be winning it in a big majority, and today it happened. Trump won the Senate, the House, and the presidency, and the US market is actually celebrating it. So before going to US market, let's talk about our market. What happened today? Today Nifty moved around close to 270 points, I guess. One second, let's see. Yeah, 270 points. Nifty moved today. That was very wonderful move. And Bank Nifty was kind of sluggish today. Didn't move that much. When I checked yesterday's price action, I had a hope that today Bank Nifty is going to move really big, but it didn't move today. Strangely. So what now? Right now, if you are an aggressive trader, you can start building position from right here, from this point onwards. Or if you don't want to take a lot of risk, you can somewhere around, like if Nifty is closing around 24,500, you can start building position. It's very close to that level right now. And if you're a very conservative, safe trader, you don't want to take any risk. I mean, you don't want to take a lot of risk. Then this point might be a good 25 to 100 might be a good point for you to start initiating your trade. Because what happened is, sometimes what will happen is that Nifty might take a resistance here in 50 DMA, come all the way down. I don't know, it might happen. So if you want to be on a very safer side, let's wait for a close above this level. So the Nifty will be above this level and above 50 DMA. But one downside is that if you are catching that move, we'll be missing out this a good 2.5 to close to 3 percentage move we'll be missing. In stock, that will be 8 to 10 percentage maybe. So that is a risk, or maybe that is the downside you're going to face. But if you really wanted to be on a safer side, that is the best bet. So we'll quickly move to Bank Nifty. What is happening in Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty today was very kind of sluggish, didn't move that much. So what is the possibility right now in Bank Nifty? It is trading in a box, doing ping pong in this range, and I am waiting for this level to be taken out. That is 52 600. So once 52 600 is taken out, then you can think of building position in this sector. There are a lot of good stocks setting up, and there's a lot of good risk reward in Bank Nifty right now. So right now it is not very safe to take a lot of trades in Bank Nifty. Let's let it clear 50 to 600 level and sustain above that level. You'll get a lot of opportunity. And if it breaks and the market is reversing from this point, and we are going to resume that upward trend, then I am expecting somewhere around 56 in the near short term, because it's if you look at Bank Nifty, it is trading in a channel. So here, it took resistance, came down, and then forming a base, and it is breaking out of this base, and market stability comes back with Trump on the helm of US economy. Probably we can see this. So and just wait for this breakout. And if it is breaking down, then okay, I don't have to tell you what to do if it is breaking down. So let's hope for the best. And when we'll quickly move to uh, US market, what is happening there? See, this is an amazing candle. It was actually forming a head and shoulders. So I was worried, in this point, in this downward move. I was a little bit worried because this head and shoulder pattern was forming, and if something negative happened in US election, it could have come all the way down here, and it could have impacted our economy, sorry, our market badly. So I was very cautious while doing this, and now everything turned good. And what a wonderful rally! Within 2 days, Dow Jones moved close to 5 percentage. I haven't seen it in near future. And same with S&P 500 also. It moved really well, and it created an all-time high, and it's sustaining over that level. So I hope this effect will be carried forward to our market and we'll get a very good move, and I hope Nifty is not going to come back again, and from here we are going to get all time high. I hope so, or maybe I don't know whether it's a wishful thinking. Let's hope so. And couple of stocks I just got my attention. I'll share it with you people. I already posted it in my X, and even in trading view I posted all those things, but I'll quickly update here what is happening. And there are a lot of other stocks in my radar, so I cannot talk about all the stocks in this one video. The length of the video will be really high. So quickly, I don't want to waste a lot of time. I know you people are all busy. I am not going to waste your time. So let's jump into this thing. So the one is Muffin Lab. Okay, so what happened here in Muffin Lab is it just broke this level. I took entry here. I took an entry here, and it just came down, kind of shook me out, but I just held on to this trade, and I achieved this. And from there, it just came down, and the stock structure started turning kind of negative. It was creating a lower high, lower low kind of structure, and it just came all the way down to this 3-year-old resistance, and from there it took support. So this was one area we could have initiated a trade. So I kind of booked my profit here, and then I re-entered from this level. And if you missed it totally, this is the entry. This is above 86. You can take a cheat entry, like a little bit a small amount, amount, maybe 30 percentage, and then wait for a proper entry above here. So I'm expecting it to go to the previous all-time high, previous 52 weeks high, and I'm expecting possibly it will move up to 125 in medium term. Again, this is not a trade advice. I want you guys to analyze what is happening here, and make a choice all by yourself. And another stock is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has been testing our patience for a very long time, and it has been consolidating for a very very long time. Right now what is happening is that it tried to break out of this consolidation several times, and it didn't happen. Every time it is just a breakout, and it won't sustain it. It will come back all the way down. So right now we can see a head and shoulder pattern here, and then what is happening is that close to this all-time high area, the stock is consolidating, and you can see very very small candles forming, tight consolidation, and then a bullish engulfing yesterday. And today's price action is like, anyway, bank didn't move much, so we'll have to wait. So if anybody wants, you can try a long position above 1795 or 1800 level. Maybe in the near short term it can, if everything is well, some positive things are going to happen, you can expect around 2100. And another stock is Zomato. What is happening in Zomato is in a very big run. It's like it just started running from here. And one peculiar thing about the stock is each time it is coming down and taking support at 50 DMA and moving. And one time it just broke. I think this is election time. Yeah, this election time volatility. You cannot take that into consideration. That is something, it won't happen every time. But other than that, it is taking support at 50 DMA, and in this event, this negativity in this correction, it just came down, and this is support area. 250 level is support area, and it's trying to reverse. And today's candle is good. If you see, really good candle. So bullish engulfing. Volume need to improve. Volume is not that great, but okay, it's fine. If anybody wants to take a trade, you can just start initiating from current market price. It can reach up to here in very short term, and this will be a good entry. Once this is broken, this will be a decent entry. Stock will be trading above 50 DMA, and you can expect it to go to 284, 297. And I hope if you are going to get a reversal in market, and market is going to resume the trend, then definitely I believe Zomato will hit fresh all-time high. And one more very interesting stock which has corrected pretty well in this market condition is TCS. Now if you look at TCS, even in daily time frame, or if you switch to weekly time frame, what you can see is that there is a uh, cup and handle kind of a not classic, again not very classic cup and handle formation, but it is kind of. And then again trading this channel, respecting this channel, it almost came close to this channel, and this is a good support area, and rebounding from this level. So you can, already I shared it in X, real time I'm sharing it, and recording the video is after market. So if you really wanted to, if you're a serious trader, you can follow me on X. I'll leave the link in the description. So this was a good entry point, and I'm expecting stock to go to all the way to the previous ATH. So, and it can go, I mean, if it is going from here, and it can touch here also, create a new all-time high, 4800, 4700, I don't know. These are not trade advices, again, these are just my view, I could be wrong. So don't base your trade just on my view. And this is a low risk and good reward setup. Risk is close to 6% and reward is close to 11, that is close to 1 is to 2. And another one more stock I am suggesting is Wipro is in a very, you know tight consolidation here. Just tried to break out, and what happened, market reacted badly to this correction, and it came down all the way, took support at 50 DMA, again trying to reverse. So you can initiate a trade at this current market price, or you can initiate a trade from this level. I'll put this as entry. This will be kind of a safe entry. And if you are a very aggressive trader, you can put a stop loss here, that is close to 5% only. That's very reasonable. 5% stop loss is very reasonable. So let's put it here, yeah, somewhere around here. Okay, maybe a little bit more than 5. Okay, this I'll put as aggressive SL. Okay, and ideally this would be a decent SL. If you're a long term guy, then probably, if this is broken, this level, that is 478, or maybe 470 is broken and closed on a weekly basis, you might have to consider quitting it altogether. So these are the stocks in my radar. There are a lot of stocks in my radar. I'll try to put it in another video. And we'll see this US rally is going to carry forward to our market. Let's hope Nifty is going to create an all-time high. I hope you like the video, and please share your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.